Welcome back, YouTube. This is Dave Lucas with Injection Molding Skills and More. So today's video, we are going to go and have quiz number 14. So let's start off this. A stable process window primarily depends on what? Okay. A, balanced filling and consistent viscosity, or constant viscosity. Okay. B, maximum injection pressure. C, high clamp tonnage. Or D, shortest cycle time. Okay, so give you a little bit more of what the processing window is. In manufacturing, a process window refers to the range of conditions under which a process must operate to consistently produce acceptable products. Operating within the process window helps maintain product quality and reduce the risk of defects. So think about that whenever you're creating your process window, okay? I will have the answer to this on Friday. I hope you guys like, share, and comment down here if you know the answer to this. I really would like to see what you guys come back with and give some information about what you think the process window actually is and if you use it in your company or not. Until Friday, peace.